Hey, it's Patrick from JMP Cycles, and today we're going to show you how to adjust the rev limiter using an FP3 tuner. Now, this is something you want to be very careful with. If you have a built motor, you maybe want to raise it up a little bit. Even on a stock motor, a few more RPMs give you a little bit more power, allow you to rev the bike out a little bit in a certain gear, but generally you don't want to abuse this privilege of being able to move that rev limiter. Moving it more than about 500 or 800 RPMs on a stock motor is all you're going to want to do. But it's a really simple thing to do with the FP3. Plug in the FP3, we'll turn on the bike and open our app, and we'll get started. So now we're connected. We'll go in here and go to View, Edit Maps. We'll get into our map that we have active. You're not going to want to have it on advanced. You go to your left tab, you go over here to Rev Limit. And from here, it's set at 6,000 from the factory, and we can move it. Let's say we want to move it to 6,800, and that's about all I'm going to want to do. That's kind of high. You can go up 100 at a time. You can advance your thousands over here. We don't want to do that. So we'll go back down. Check mark, we're good there. And then we're going to want to flash it to the bike. So we go to the lightning bolt, continue. And then from here, it's going to ask us a series of turning on and off the bike. So now we're going to turn the bike off for 30 seconds. Now we'll turn it on and let it make connection. Okay, map's transferred. We hit done, and it's as simple as that. So this is another simple modification you can do to the bike using the FP3. It's a super functional piece of equipment, and we'll go ahead and put more of our videos we make about the functionality of the FP3 in the description. As always, if you have any comments, feel free to drop us one of those and go work on your motorcycle.